Okay, as you can see, these are the cruise ships. I know I'm stating the bleeding obvious, but yeah. And you see these little boats, these are ferries. We don't have a port here in Georgetown, so the ships can't come in past the reef. They've got to stay in deep water. So ferries basically go backwards and forwards and take off the passengers, put them in Georgetown. What you see in the water just ahead of the cruise ship is Marine Land Tours. This is actually an aquatic bus. It's a boat and it's a bus. And I'm going to prove that to you in a few minutes when it just comes up on land. You can see at the back of the bus there's propellers. And it just basically drives on land and then drives away. And that's a ferry also. Takes people off the ferry and brings them into Georgetown, drives them round, takes them back again. And I know the guy that owns that is called Curtis Eldermeyer. There we go, 3 cruise ships in today. That means approximately 6,000 people in Georgetown, knowing about. You can see Georgetown. The place with the tents on the seafront is Rackham's. That's one of my local bars. That's where all the expats hang out. I'm actually going to go. I'm in the middle of my lunch. I'm trying to eat before I go to my next appointment. But I'd like to film this boat, car, whatever you want to call it, aquatic bus coming out of the water. I would have thought it'd have had a pointy front on. That would have used less fuel and been a bit quicker. But it comes out over there. I think there's a ramp over there. Just beyond the pontoon boats. Somebody else is videoing it as well. Fantastic. It's all going on here. As usual, something different happens every day. You can't plan your day here. Oh man, I'm thirsty. I tell you what, it's hot today. 90 degrees today in the Cayman Islands. Root beer. Can't whack it. Best drink in the world. Prefer it even over beer. Give me a root beer any day, I'm happy. Right, here's the bus, here's the aquatic bus coming in. Loads of tourists on it. Amphibious Marine Land Tours. Is it a bus or is it a boat? Who knows? See the guide standing up at the front telling people, and there's music coming from it as well. And here we go, it's coming out of the water now. It's going to hit the ramp shortly. Oh. Sorry, I'm trying to eat. Starving. Helicopters coming back as well. People have had $125 worth. Okay. Brace yourself. Here we go. Full throttle. Coming out of the water. There we go. Stop his propellers. And then he'll drive down the road. Okay. Hope you found that interesting. Hope some of my blogs are interesting. Oh, here we go. Mr. Helicopter's coming back. I need to hang on to my food, otherwise I'm going to be chasing it into the sea. Oh, wait a minute. Doing a last circle. Put it down again. Great today. Sea's perfectly clear. That's about 6 feet deep to the bottom. Perfectly clear, just like glass. You could probably see about 30 feet down today if you were snorkeling. Hoping to do that this weekend. Last weekend was a bit of a washout, couldn't really see anything. Lost my sunglasses, which I'm still pissed off about because they cost me £12, £12 rather. Here we go, I think the helicopter's coming in. So I'll grab onto my grub. Try and get a good picture for you. It's going to get a bit windy and a bit scary. Tell you what, that nearly blew me off my feet. Okay, so there's at least 3 people in there at $125, so that's $375 for 20 minutes work. Thank you very much. Laughing all the way to the bank. He's doing that 3 times an hour. He's probably working about 2-3 hours a day. Work it out, do the sums. That is one profitable business. He's always busy. 5 days a week. My next business venture, I'm going to buy a helicopter. Signing off, but I'm going to eat my food. I'll catch you later.